Hello everyone. So now let's see. Once you just draw your staircase, now you just wanted to make any kind of changes in that. So how can we? So you can see this one is your staircase. So first I will click on this staircase. So you can see once I just click on this staircase, so here are more number of tools are open. So from here you can see this one is edit staircase tool. So I will just click on this tool. So see more tools are open to modify this staircase. So now I just wanted to decrease the number of steps in the left side and increase the number of steps in the right side. So for that I will just click on this right side and you can see this triangle. I will just click here and just pull it. See, two staircases increase here. See, now three, now four. So I will just stop here. So basically with the help of this triangle we can just manage our step. Now if I just wanted to make them original, so I will just click here and bring them back. See, now it comes to its original position. See, if I just wanted to flip the staircase, I can just flip from here. See, currently less number of steps on left side and more number of steps on right side. So I just wanted to flip this staircase. So for that I will just click on this flip. See, it is flipped. It is now starting from here, see 1 to 11 and 12 to 22. So in this way you can just flip the staircase. Now let me show you this dot means. So currently you can see the actual number of riser is 22 and desired number of riser is also 22. Now if I just click here, if I just click on this dot, see, if I just increase this one, so you can see here three more steps are increasing. 22 plus 3. Basically, actual number of now is riser is 25. So if I just show you from this east view, if I just make it as 25, so it will match the level line basically, level 2 basically. Now I will just click on this OK.